A man once made a mistake that looked small, but destroyed his entire relationship. Not cheating, not lying, and certainly not betrayal. He simply told the truth about the wrong things. And just like that, the respect disappeared. Listen carefully, because the most dangerous thing a man can do in a relationship is confuse honesty with strategy. There are things that sound harmless when spoken, but become weapons when remembered. And today, we are talking about 8 things a man must never reveal too freely to a woman if he wants to keep his peace, his respect, and his sanity. Because sometimes, the difference between a respected man and a miserable one is simply knowing what to keep quiet about. 1. Your deepest insecurities. Now let me say something that will offend the philosophers of the internet. Everyone screams, be vulnerable, be open, be emotionally naked. Beautiful advice. Until reality enters the chat. Listen, there is nothing wrong with vulnerability, but unfiltered insecurity can quietly change how someone sees you. If a man constantly says he thinks he's not good enough or feels like a failure, what starts as emotional honesty can slowly turn into a loss of perceived strength. And attraction, whether people admit it or not, often respects stability and confidence. So, instead of dumping insecurity, a wiser man works on them quietly. Fix them. Grow from them. Solve them. Because confidence is not something you announce. It is something people observe. 2. Every detail of your financial situation. Now, let me be clear. I'm not saying lie about money, but announcing every detail of your financial struggles is like putting a handle with care sticker on your forehead. Imagine telling someone on the first few months that you're broke, or your savings are empty, or that you don't know what you're doing financially. Congratulations. You just introduced stress into the relationship before it even needed to exist. A calm man simply focuses on building his financial stability quietly. Because a man talking about being broke every week is not attractive, but a man silently fixing his finances and leveling up is powerful. Remember, respect often follows results, not complaints. 3. Your complete past with women. The most dangerous conversation known to mankind is the "tell me about your ex" trap. Let me translate that conversation for you. When someone says, "tell me about your past relationships," what they actually mean is, give me information that I can emotionally weaponize later. This might not always be the case, but majority of the time it is. You say one innocent sentence about how your ex used to cook really well, and 6 months later during an argument, you suddenly hear things like, "Why don't you go back to your ex since she was such a great cook?" Congratulations. You just built your own argument ammunition. A wise man keeps his past brief and respectful. No deep storytelling or romantic nostalgia. The past is a museum. Visit quickly, but do not give guided tours. 4. Your future plans too early. Ambition is powerful, but announcing every big plan too early can create unnecessary pressure. Imagine telling someone, "I want to start a company. I want to move countries. I want to take big financial risks." If that person fears instability, suddenly they may start discouraging your growth, not because they hate you, but because people naturally protect comfort and security. So, instead of broadcasting your plans, a wise man quietly works. And one day people simply say, "Wait, when did you accomplish all this?" Because success that appears silently built is far more respected. 5. How much you fear losing her. Now this one is very delicate. Loving someone deeply is beautiful, but saying things like, "I can't live without you. You are my whole world. If you leave me, I'm finished," can unintentionally shift the power balance of the relationship. When someone feels like they are your entire emotional survival system, 2 things can happen. Either they feel pressured, or they begin to take that devotion for granted. A strong man loves deeply, but he also has purpose, friends, ambition, and identity outside the relationship, because love should be a part of your life, not your entire existence. 6. Every weak moment you have. Everyone has bad days. Everyone feels tired, frustrated, overwhelmed. But constantly sharing every emotional storm can slowly create the image of someone who is always struggling. And the truth is, people naturally feel safer around someone who appears emotionally stable. A wise man processes his emotions, but he does not turn every small struggle into a dramatic broadcast. He learns, he reflects, he improves. Because strength is not about never feeling weak. It is about not living in weakness. 7. Your strategy and moves. Listen carefully. Not everyone needs to know what you are about to do. Sometimes the smartest move is silence. You tell people what you're planning, what you're about to invest in, or what you're going to change. And suddenly, advice appears, doubt appears, criticism appears before you even start. A strategic man understands something simple. Moves speak louder than plans. So, instead of announcing everything, he simply acts, and the world finds out after it is already done. 8. How much you actually need peace. Now, here is the one nobody talks about. Many men value peace and emotional calm more than anything else. But saying that openly sometimes attracts the exact opposite, because some people, intentionally or not, create drama to test emotional reactions. A wise man does not constantly say he hates drama, or he just wants peace. He simply removes himself from chaotic situations quietly. Because peace is not something you request from people. It is something you create through boundaries. And before someone storms into the comments shouting, "So men should lie," relax. That is not the point. This is not about deception. This is about wisdom in communication. A mature man understands that not every truth needs to be spoken immediately, completely, and emotionally. Some things are meant to be handled privately. Some things are meant to be solved quietly. And some things are simply none of anyone else's business. Because a respected man does not reveal everything. He reveals what is necessary. He speaks with intention. He protects his peace. And most importantly, he understands that sometimes the strongest move a man can make is simply closing his mouth and letting his actions speak instead. And remember this, the loudest man in the room often controls nothing. But the quiet man, the one observing, calculating, and moving carefully, is usually the one running the entire game. Let me leave you with this. The measure of a man isn't found in the volume of his words, but in the weight of his presence. So, keep your plans close, your insecurities private, and your actions loud. Let the world wonder how you stay so calm while you're winning the game. Because in the end, the man who masters his tongue is the only one who truly masters his life. For those always asking for book recommendation for the topic discussed, I would suggest you read Love and Respect by Emerson Eggerichs. This is a New York Times best-selling relationship book that focuses on respect in relationship and how women primarily seek love, while men deeply need respect in relationships. The author explains how lack of respect can damage a relationship, while mutual respect and understanding can make it stronger. It also teaches communication strategies that help couples maintain admiration and respect for each other, instead of falling into resentment cycles. The comment of the day goes to Dangerous Fellow, and it reads, "I wonder if you are a human being, or God just sent you as his messenger. I'm just a regular person sharing what life has been teaching me. But I'm grateful the message reached you.